18. Yeah, wake it up with 35 to 5.
It's good that oil pressure's so down.
Yeah, that was a little excessive. Oh, it's up there again. 35 to 5. So just did our first pull from 3,500 or 3,400 to 5,000 RPM. Torque peaked at 4,300 at 526, and the horsepower is at 470 and still climbing. So it's gonna be pretty cool. And we ran through the numbers, and it ran out of carburetor. It's got a 750 quick fuel on it right now. It ran out of carburetor already at 5,000 RPM, so we're putting an 850 on it right now. So we'll be back with an 850 test, and we'll probably go 5,500, maybe 6,000 RPM. So we'll be back in a minute. So what are we going to do for a run here?
36 to 55.
36 to 55.
Then we got a big carburetor on there.
Yeah, I got the 850 on there now. Hopefully that'll do better. Something happened? Oh, okay. Well, we did a second pull from 3,500 to 5,500. Here's the numbers. 35 degrees of timing, and with the 850 carburetor rather than the 750 that was on it. And numbers are pretty good, but a little bit less than I was hoping for. 529 is the torque. And the power kind of leveled off right here, but it peaked at 478 at 5,100 RPM. So that's where we're at currently. We're gonna maybe mess with the timing a little bit, put a spacer on it, and see what it'll do. 3,600 to 5,800. Yeah. Yeah. It'll sound pretty good. I like it.
What size exhaust would put on something like this?
2.5, maybe. Got the 1-inch spacer. 850 with 1-inch spacer. See what it did.
80, 90.
Woo! 490. Did it do anything to the torque? Yeah, it did the torque. 537, yeah.
So we know the manifold's the problem.
Yeah.
That's okay.
I like it though.
87.
Yeah.
You know, it's still leveling off, but it's good though to do.
All
right. 37 degrees of timing. Bumped up the timing.
Jumpy though there.
Yeah, you know the direction we're going though.
Yeah, no, it's we added some. We'll see if it lights it.
Yeah, going from 35 to 37 degrees now. $6,000 RPM.
Hanging in there, baby.
Let's see what she did. No. Yeah, it didn't like it.
Didn't like the timing. Well,
But the peak number's less, but we had 490 and it doesn't like it as much.
Got an 88 place of it.
Right, 33 degrees. The same pole range?
yep.
Alright.
Shutting off nice
Yeah.
for having advanced timing and
See what it did with 33 degrees.
90,
35 on the
93,
493.
Oh, you son of a-
493, a little bit more. 493.8.
We're still 488.
Look at it did to the torque though.
Oh, we're
35s and 7s.
30, yeah.
I like
Oh,
that.
yeah.
We were 28.
I'd go a little more. In
I was
that
about to say, I
direction.
wonder if we'll try it at 30 maybe.
Oh yeah. Give her a little more bulk.
That was 30.
30 degrees of timing now. Or if it liked the drop in timing or not. Because we went 35 and then 37. It didn't like 37, so it went down to 32.
40.
And now we're at...
Did we have a 40 before? No, we didn't.
No, that's...
40 on the torque.
Yeah, 540 on the torque. That's a high number now.
95.
95? Yeah,
Yeah.
495.
95.
495.5. We're...
Ha!
This is going to bother me that it's not 500, but...
Well, I mean, it's better, so it's the direction to go. I don't know.
You don't think it needs more spacer, do you?
52.
You can't really go below 30. I mean, that's.
Yeah,
We-
the way it
we-
likes it.
Wherever.
It liked less...
How do you do a timing sweep?
It liked less timing, so now we're going to go 29. See what it did.
It's 38.
95, 95, 95, 95. Look at them all. 95.
Oh yeah,
She's
that's
there.
solid. I don't think we're gonna get
And
more.
Another one here
Torque
too.
is down.
Torque is down. Is that?
39, 41.
Oh, 41.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
that's
40
38,
before.
41, yep.
I didn't see that. I only saw the 30.
Spacer, baby.
nice. Yeah,
You want to move it again?
try a spacer. I don't think it's gonna do anymore.
Look at your exhaust temps, though.
Yeah.
They
Okay.
can get hot when you retard timing.
All right, might throw a spacer on next. 2-inch spacer now. It sounds good.
And look at that oil pressure at idle. It's really coming out.
Pulls right to the top once we got that timing out of it.
Yeah.
It pulls nice.
No, I bet we got her there. If I was betting.
Get the 500.
There
There it
it
is.
is.
There it is.
501.
Oh, 501.
500.
Oh, not just 500. It holds there for a minute.
Nice.
Hey, there goes $100.
Yeah.
45 on the torque. 46.
Wow.
It loves that super sucker. Just buy one of those
Yeah.
if you can find
And-
one.
Right.
And a carburetor.
That one was like $350, but
Ugh.
it's an aluminum billet Wilson
Right.
one.
The
The
same
Chinese
sort of-
knock that shit off. For
Yeah.
$80.
That particular
There's
spacer
500.